In the azure waters off the coast of Jamaica, where the waves kissed the golden sands and the air was thick with the scent of salt and tropical blooms, lived a mermaid named Maricela. With hair that flowed like seaweed and scales that shimmered in every color of the ocean, she was a spirited creature revered by the islanders who knew of her magical presence. Maricela harbored a special gift. Whenever she emerged from the depths of the sea, flowers would bloom in her wake, painting the shore in vibrant colors. Hibiscus, jasmine, and orchids sprang forth from the sand, as if the very earth rejoiced at her arrival. The villagers had long held legends of the mermaid's magic, believing she was the guardian of nature's beauty, bestowing her blessings on those who respected the land and sea. One sun-drenched morning, Maricela decided to swim further than usual, curious about a small cove she had spotted from afar. As she glided through the water, she noticed something unusual, an area near the shore that had grown barren and lifeless. The coral reefs were faded, and the sand was bare. She felt a twinge of sadness in her heart as she approached the cove, longing to restore its forgotten beauty. While she swam, she overheard the voices of fishermen who had gathered nearby, their tones filled with concern. "The fish are gone," one lamented. "The sea is sick, and our crops have withered. We'll have nothing to eat soon." The others nodded in agreement, casting glances toward the dull cove. This plight tugged at Maricela's heart. She knew that she had the power to help but also understood that magic required balance and respect. Determined to aid the fishermen, she rose to the surface and let out a melodious song that echoed over the waves. The melody carried her wish to all creatures of the sea, invoking the spirits of the ocean to help restore the cove. As her voice wove through the air, she felt the familiar tingle in her fingertips. With a splash, she dove into the water, swimming toward the cove's depths. As she touched the sandy bottom, Maricela called upon her magic. When she surfaced, she began to dance, swirling and twirling above the water. Flowers erupted from the sand with each movement, vibrant petals unfurling in a riot of colors as they spread across the beach. Coral began to bloom again, and tiny fish darted playfully among the new growth. The transformation was a sight to behold, and soon the fishermen paused their work, mesmerized by the beauty unfolding before their eyes. With the cove revitalized and alive with color and sound, Maricela turned her attention to the fishermen. She sensed the source of their woes. Their connection to the sea had weakened over time. It was a bond that needed mending, one that required understanding and respect for the ocean's bounty. She swam closer, her voice now a gentle whisper, "Honor the sea, and it will care for you. Plant seeds of love, and they shall grow." The fishermen, enchanted by her luminous presence, understood her message. They vowed to protect the waters, to fish only what they needed, and to work in harmony with the tides. From that day forward, Maricela visited the cove often. With each appearance, blooms burst forth, creating a paradise that drew not only marine life but children who giggled as they chased butterflies and elders who shared stories of the magical mermaid. The fishermen, in turn, nurtured the ocean, and soon the fish returned, thriving alongside the flourishing flora. Years passed, and the cove became a sacred site, celebrated not just by the fishermen but by all who lived there. It was a place of joy, brimming with life and color, a testament to the bond between the sea and its guardians. And at the heart of it all was Maricela, the mermaid whose love for nature and dedication to balance had transformed a barren cove into a vibrant sanctuary, a reminder that with respect and harmony, not only can flowers bloom, but so too can relationships flourish, weaving the threads of magic through the fabric of life in beautiful, unexpected ways.